So, welcome back. It's been a little while, hasn't it? Since, you know, you've heard my voice. my luscious masculine voice. Yeah, you join me on a rather bloody lovely March day. It's about 17-18 degrees today. Got some stuff on, including the handroids. And I've got the vents open on my jacket, finally. Where have I been? So basically, if you didn't know, in the UK we've been having a number of lockdowns which have sort of restricted our ability to go out on the bikes and stuff. I haven't had much motivation to sort of record stuff, and also up until about, a week ago? Less than that, I didn't have the mic adapter, the massive brick. Yeah, I didn't have that sorted until a week ago, because it's 50 fucking quid, which is a bit ridiculous. My mental health's been pretty shit, as always, but it's been made much worse. Being able to get out on the bike really has helped quite a bit. I've actually got plans to do my advanced rider qualification. If you don't know about it, look into the IAM, the Institute of Advanced Motorcyclists or Motorists, I can't remember which one. They offer advanced rider schemes which are approved by the DVSA. DVLA, same thing. I should hopefully, by around summertime, be an advanced rider, and that's me taking a step towards me wanting to become the best rider I can be, and for me to become a teacher one day, riding instructor. I want to become the riding instructor that, you know, when someone says, oh yeah, I suffer really badly with anxiety, they come to me, so that then, you know, I can offer them the best support, especially if they do struggle. Anyway, so what's anything new with Gordon? We've got some LED running lights down there, which if I turn on, if I can actually fucking turn the key, that was partially working. Not too concerned. It's still visible enough. We've got some new front facing indicators, because these are shit. We've obviously got the upright bar conversion. You have seen that a bit, but I haven't really talked about it too much. This is from Moto CNC. Kit wasn't too expensive. I already had the bar. Well, actually my dad did, because he was going to do a conversion on his old CBR 1000F back when he had it a couple of years ago, and just never got around to it, then sold it. So that's been sitting up in the attic for a bit, and so we got it. I've also got the core lock phone mount. I'll do something on that at some point. It's alright, it does the job, but for, you know, the about 60 quid that you're paying for it usually, I got it in the sale. Mind that child. Yeah, because he escaped from the back of your van. Yeah, the core lock system is a bit overpriced, to be honest. It works, but it's not the best. And new Lextech exhaust. Scorpion wasn't looking too good, and I wasn't a massive fan of it. Alright, let's go on a ride, shall we? Let's do a bit of, I would say walking talk, but it's a riding talk. Oh, my hair. I've also got new glasses, which don't help the hair situation, because for some reason my hair always seems to get stuck in them. So how have you guys been? Oh, that's cool. How have you guys been dealing with the whole lockdown situation? Whether that be, you know, internationally or just in the UK? Because lockdown will have hit everyone differently. I mean, there's the people who, you know, live in Wales and Scotland, who have had a very different experience to people who live in England. Oh, there's penis again. I followed behind this guy before. He does not know how to drive. A lot of people, me included, feel incredibly trapped at home because of their own mental health, and so being able to get out helps massively. And lockdown has massively affected everyone. I don't know anyone who has benefited majorly from it. The main thing is that I think everyone's been wanting to live their life as much as they can. Like, there's loads of people who've got bike trips, holidays, new work, relationships and all that to attend to, but they can't. They've had to put everything on hold. I feel very sorry for the people who've had family members pass as of late, because they've had to have such shit funerals and everything. Like, they can't even dress like those who have passed. So they literally go in the coffin in the clothes that they died in. And I really do hope that, you know, people who have been affected majorly by the whole COVID situation, whether you've had it or you've got it at the moment or whatever, I hope everything recovers well for you, because this is a very bad time for everyone, but especially for you. It's just like the one corner on this road that I hate. Because the line that you want to be on, there's a fucking crack in the road, so your tyres track it. Oh really? This is the worst thing about lockdown. All the fucking retards who wouldn't be out at these times are out in full force. Oh my god, this is a 60-mile-an-hour road and you're doing fucking 37. Because I bet there's been a lot of you who've been doing, you know, build projects or whatever on the bike, or just been modding their bikes, or even still just riding them. And I applaud you any way that you've taken, any route that you've taken with everything. Because the fact that you've still been involved with biking is the important thing. That's quite a nice bike. What is that? That's a Z, I think. Oh no. What is that? Is that a ZZR 1400? It's got nice anchor cams on it. Hey buddy, how you doing? Fucking fuel stop. Alright, I shall talk to you guys once I've filled up with Esso petrol, which is what was the prices? I can't see that. For unleaded it's 129. Fucking hell. God, I remember back in first lockdown, regular unleaded, even from somewhere like here, was 99 pence a litre. 99 pence a litre, fucking hell. Accidentally quick shifted there, it doesn't matter. I do hope you guys have enjoyed my rambles and shit, but I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day slash evening slash night slash I don't know what Martians do, and yeah, stay safe, keep rubber side down, shiny side up, wear your gear, and remember that someone loves you, so keep yourself safe for them. Alright, I shall see you guys soon. Bye bye.